Do you want to create astonishing landforms? Okay, switch to the Geometry Nodes tab and create new. Here, search for grid and delete the original group input. Set the grid parameters to 10:10 and 300 by 300 vertices. Now search for Set Position node and connect a position node into the position parameter. Then search for Combine XYZ node and connect it into the offset. Connect the color of a noise texture to the color of RGB curves. Then connect RGB curves to the Z-axis. Play with values, and you're good to go. Here are some of the presets I made for you to use for the settings. Thank you.